If you were to talk to a fifth grader coming into the tech cafe for the very first time and describing what we do here, what it's like, what would you say to them?
I'd say it's almost like a social activism art class where you learn to express yourself at the same time, like having a meaning behind it and in social problems that we have in our day and age. We talked about smoking, vaping, body positivity. We talked about accessibility to the disabled. We talked about neurodivergence.
What do you think is different about it?
Everything you do has a meaning behind it. Me and my friends, we did a puppet show about healthy foods and unhealthy foods. It was about this one kid who likes to eat a lot of unhealthy foods. So we took him down on how it could be unhealthy for you to eat a lot of unhealthy foods. And I guess it was a hit. All the kids loved it, and I loved it too.
So how I would describe this space as basically like your own little creative workshop where you can create what you want, draw what you feel, paint how you feel. I feel like you can basically express yourself in many ways. So over the years, I've made a song about not to vape, and
What was it called?
The group was called Metal Monsters.
You're wasting your mind, you're wasting your time. All of this smoking is your fine.
Listen to me, I'll tell you what. Rest out what you take. Toxic waste is what you make. Destruction is what comes next. Too many inhales can leave you in jail.
Jeff from UPF. And what's this say?
Oh no, I ate a Big Mac and some Oreos.
Oh, and he's mad about it?
It's processed food.
That is ultra processed food.
Instead of Whole Foods, we have named it Have Foods. We started record. This, I'm gonna fix it, but let me show you the other ones. This one is like my favorite.
What is the reward chemical that ultra processed foods flood into your body?
So you got, I made the food characters. You got a cupcake, a burger, and a pizza.
So McDonald's icon, Big Mac. So cool. So well done.
It's really great.
From the heart of the Tech Cafe, this is Evil Food. I'm your host, Elson, and in this episode, we'll be talking about a poison for your body and mind. It's something that's all around you, and something that can be extremely addictive. What's this mysterious evil thing? It's called ultra-processed food. Now that you know how companies use ads, artificial colors, and fake flavors to help kids, you can choose what's best for your body and mind. See you next time.
Preparamos esta arepa pues para que las personas vean que no es necesario comer comida ultraprocesada. Y la arepa es saludable porque es con harina integral y muchas cosas buenas.
Y tiene fibra.
¿Ustedes saben cuál es el ingrediente más importante?
Sí, el amor.
Oh my God. Thank you very much.
Have you guys heard about that new trend? What new trend?
Oh yeah,
The sugar packet challenge.
So do you guys want to do the challenge right now then? We should. I know where to keep the sugar packets at.
I'm gonna win. I promise you guys.
Okay, whatever.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Slimmy, you're coming? Yeah, I'll be there soon. Okay, let's wait for me outside.
Are you okay?
All right,
I'm gonna check your blood sugar to see how high your blood sugar is, okay? No junk food, no soda, no juice, and I want you to try to exercise for at least 30 minutes every day.
So where do you guys want to go today?
I don't get it. What is that sign? It says Fiber Fresh? Yeah, newest products, feel free to try them out.
Okay.
I'm really hungry right now.
Me too.
What are you eating?
I'm eating cookies.
Ew.
What is that?
Wow, it's the glasses.
What are these? Where did you get them?
I don't know where you got these, but I've never had them in my store before.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Chris, here to explain what these ultra-processed snacks do to your body and your mood.
My mood? I feel awesome when I'm crunching on my neon blue snackies.
Yeah, until the sugar and chemicals slam your brain with dopamine, then boom, you crash.
How many grams is that? Let's count. I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
When I ate healthy food like chicken and fruit salad, it made me feel so good, like I had music inside my body, and remix of fruits and veggies going up and down.
And remember, this is Serotonin Street. We stay above the influence of toxic junk food and keep it funny